Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. I have finally cut the cord, officially de-umbilicling from the cable industry. I no longer have a cable TV subscription service, anything tied to traditional cable networks. It no longer exists. I signed up for YouTube TV when it was like $35. I thought that was like more than reasonable, easy to use, very accessible. And then over time, it was like I was a frog in a pot of water and they just slowly kept turning up the temperature. And it got to the point where now YouTube is charging like $80, $85 a month for the same type of access. I know they have more channels, but 99 channels and nothing on. And so I finally got to the point where I got tired of checking over and over again to see if anything was there to watch, and nothing was there. So I stopped. What's the point? I spend all my time in subscription services, not to say that traditional cable television isn't a subscription service, but not with these cable television packages en masse. Like, there's just nothing that I happen to be watching, and our family, by and large, tunes into non-traditional cable television programming packages, these subscription streaming services a la carte. We may pay more. I don't think we do at this time, but at least we're getting our money's worth. So I feel like I'm a part of a trend of people cord cutting. Like, we're not watching the stuff that they're pushing down the pike. I don't watch sports, which makes paying for something like YouTube TV a waste of money. I'm not even getting $5 of value out of something like that, and wasn't for the longest time, but I held on to it thinking maybe, no more. I've cut the cord. Have you?